Sheet S55, question number 4, pivot. Use this sheet dataset, this sheet, and create a pivot graph exactly like this. Click on this sheet, click anywhere in this data, Control A, select all, go to Insert, Pivot Table. I want exacting sheet, click here, S55, and click somewhere as you want. Click OK. Check here. This is city and this is in row. So go here, city in row. And this is value. Check here, this is value, count of company ID. And go here, this company ID and put here count of company ID. Average of invoice amount. Go here, invoice amount and drag here. This is sum. I want this average. So average. Okay. Make sure count of company ID. This is count of company ID. This is average of invoice amount. This is average of invoice amount. And in row, this is city. Okay. So our pivot table is ready. Click in pivot table somewhere in pivot table area and click on this pivot chart, combo chart, and check here count of company ID, this is row, and average of invoice amount, this is column. So average of invoice amount, this should be column, and count of company ID, this should be row line. Okay, and make this secondary SSO and click on OK. Check here, this is somewhere this and OK, and check. I drag some here. Okay, count of company ID, this is count of company ID, this is average of invoice amount, and this, and so on and so on. And this is, check here, this is 0 to 160, this is 0 to 160, but this 0 to 1800, but this 2 to 2000. So double click here, go here, check, this is access options, and click on this, and this is it. If you double click on this, then automatically open this. This is 1800, I want this 2000, and I want this 200, and I want a scale auto, this auto, and go here, and I want this 100. Check here, 2 to 20 hundreds, this is 2 to 20 hundreds, and this is 0 to 160, this is 0 to 160, and this is exactly like same. Click here and go to here, solid fill, and click on this. Okay, and fine. Check what is different. This color is different, so click on this column, select all column automatically, and go here, this fill, and fill this like I think this. No, 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 this, not this, and I think this is this. Sorry, this. Yes, no, some difference, some difference. I think this is this. Okay, fine. And click on this line and go here, fill, and this is solid fill, and this goes here, and select this, and this I want this 3 feet. Okay, no, no color, not exact same. Please check again and goes here and select this one. Sorry, I want select this one. Okay, thank you.